Hi guys, Kim Cash here. Today is December 23rd and we have one more day for Vlogmas, the 24 days of Christmas. I thought that I would share with you my advent calendar and take my present off for today. Today's the 23rd and you can see by the end we're getting a little weak on gifts. I have a little teeny tiny candy cane, but that's fine. I'm happy having a candy cane. I like it, and I've had plenty of gifts. Okay, so for the rest of the day, what I'm going to be doing is working on a birthday cake. Tomorrow's my sister's birthday and my brother's, and my sister's going to come over and we're going to have cake and have a paint night for her birthday. So if you're interested in Christmas cakes or birthday ideas, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've got my cakes baked. I've got three little, they're probably about 6-inch cakes. And then I've got one base cake, which is an 8-inch cake. And you can see this one got a little overdone. I forgot about it. I got busy with Christmas things. And the edge is just a little dark. But I'm thinking we may not get to that part of it. I'll see how the first 3 cakes go. Anyway, what I'm going to do is make a striped cake. And I'm going to start out by just putting a little bit of frosting in the middle of my turntable just to hold the cake in place while I frost it. So what I'm going to do is put a crumb coat on, and that's just a thin layer which will lock in all the crumbs so that when I go to put the final layer on, there won't be crumbs getting in it. You can see all the crumbs that come up. And this is just the first stage, and then I'll put it in the fridge and let it cool. Let the frosting set. Just a minute, I'll let you girls out. Just a minute. Okay, so now I've made some more frosting, some red, and I'm going to put it on the cake where I've got the stripes etched into it. I just want to set this just so you can see that. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it on and smear it around. Now I'm going to scrape off some of it, because I've got a nice thick coat on there. Okay, and then I was making some decorations to go on top of the cake. and I took 3 marshmallows and just put them on a skewer. And then I took a bit of one of my favorite orange slices, the candy, and I just cut a little nose and cut a little, with the scissors, I cut the marshmallow and stuck it in there. And then this is just fondant, where I used, I'll show you. And I just used, where's my black? Just black icing, and did his eyes. And then I was going to use some Red Hots for his buttons, but I might just use some red icing, we'll see. Some of these places where I've got little glitches, because it's never perfect. Nothing's ever perfect, at least not for me. I mean, I'm sure some people, their cake just turns out gorgeous, but it's not always the way it is for me. So I thought I'd use some candies and just touch it up. And I'm using the buttercream to work as glue. So I put a little bit of buttercream wherever I want to stick one of these peppermint candies. I've got my finished cake for my sister's birthday, and I made a little snow scene with some trees in the back. I don't know if you can see the, here, let me get back over this way. I made a little heart out of candy canes and the little trees with the snow scene, and then the little snowmen that I made out of marshmallows and skewers with a little bit of fondant, and their arms are pretzels. So they're all edible. And then I always have a backup cake, because you never know. Things can go wrong. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my experimentation to make this cake for my sister's birthday. Oh, Sophie, I'm talking to somebody. She's got to get up here and see what's going on. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Get down. You're not supposed to be up here. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and come back, because there's only one more day of Vlogmas. Hi, Mila. Oh my goodness, I can't talk to anybody. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, and I hope you come back tomorrow. Bye. You girls.